Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Rat Rod mini truck build. So today in part 3 we're going to be working on installing our transmission and try to get it mounted up on brackets, and then possibly some more work on the cab. So mounting the transmission is going to involve me adding some more frame bracing on the back, kind of kicked up over the trans, and then we have 2 more brackets go on the other side of the transmission, and the transmission is going to be all bolted into the rear of it. And then, like I said, on the cab we're probably going to try to add somewhat of a door frame on it to fill in these open sections on it, and I guess we'll see how far we get with that. So I just found 2 bolts there. It should work just for a mock-up on getting this one bracket in here. This one here, should sit right like that. And then I do have the other 2 bolts for the upper bracket. The original bottom ones I do not have here. They're at Connor's house, but this will just work for a mock-up. This is not what's going to be actually holding the trans in for when we're actually driving it. So let's get these all attached. So hey guys, here's the end of the video. So today we got done our kind of framing out where our doors are going to sit, and these supports right there, and same on this side. We got some other stuff fully welded. We put these torque tube tunnel supports in front and rear on it. And I know some people may be saying that's not a torque tube, that's a drive shaft. Technically it is a torque tube because our engine and clutch is going to be in the front and our trans is in the back. So it is not really a drive shaft, it's a torque tube, similar to how a Corvette has it, with clutch in the front and trans in the rear, same with the motor in the front. We got our trans mounted here with these pieces here, and they are actually going to be welded on these tabs, and then it's still going to be able to unbolt on these, same with the other side over there. And the trans will come out by just pulling back. And this is only a temporary kind of mock-up drive shaft. We're going to be using something a lot heavier for the drive shaft than this. I mean, if you can see, it's just sitting in there. It's going to actually be bolt on and off to that part there. And then brakes are actually going to be in the front of the torque tube, because we could run a caliper on each side in the rear, but we're not going to do that. We don't need it. It's going to just cost more and be more work, so we're just going to run one in the rear. And we're planning on hydraulic brakes, and because that'll just be a lot more stopping force for something that's going to need it like this. But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to comment and rate the video. See you in the next one.